Hello friends, this is to inform you that I will be posting videos on my YouTube channel, which is Parenting the Parent by Neera Paritosh. The reason is that the duration of the video is very long because I want to convey more. It gets cut after 1 minute or so that is why I'm conveying all the points on my YouTube channel. The feedback which I got from different people is that they are not able to understand the video in English because they are not familiar with the language. So I will be using more Hindi and less English. So I will not be making separate videos in Hindi or English. We'll be using the same video for both the languages. And the third thing is that the purpose of every video should be very clear. This is not for entertainment, or I'm not teaching anything. I'm not teaching science, commerce, maths, any academic subjects. So I'm doing this video because I want to tell the parents, because this is not for children. This is for the parents only. And I really want the parents to understand few things. So even at the cost of repetition, I would like to say that the parents or the elders will have to change themselves if we want our next generation to be perfect. And they can be perfect if we change ourselves, because I really believe that the child becomes the copy of his parents after some time. I'm working on changing the mindset of parents. I'm taking a simple example here. जब हम किसी important काम के लिए जाते हैं और बिल्ली रास्ता काट जाती है तो आप यही बोलते हैं ना, तो अब तो काम होगा ही नहीं. You have to be more open. You have to come out of all these things. For your convenience, I have numbered the videos. I have given them a heading and I have numbered them. First type of videos where I was giving only my voice and the pictures were coming. So I have written video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4. And then I was explaining different points. That was my point of view only. But I wrote lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, so that the people understand that this is a separate thing, separate series. Basically, we want everybody to listen to me with a positive mindset, because this program is to increase the bonding between a parent and a child. So if that bonding increases, it will definitely, develop the spirit of taking righteous actions on the part of the child. And in this process, I think many of our questions will also be answered. जैसे आप कितनी बार बोलते हैं, मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, I worked so hard, but my neighbor or my friend got more money, but that person who used to get lesser marks than me, he has made everything now. What was the reason of all this? I think we'll be able to get that in this process. One of the reasons I have already found out. And the reason is, if you believe in reincarnation. Reincarnation means पुनर्जन्म. अगर आप पुनर्जन्म में विश्वास रखते हैं तो whenever a child is born, तो आप उसका date of birth, time and everything is seen, just to see whether the child has brought some luck or not. So it means whatever we get from God is luck, and whatever we do on this earth, वो है हमारे कर्म. लक और कर्म, ये दोनों मिलके हमारा भाग्य बनाते हैं. Whatever we have got from God, or we don't even remember what we have done previous birth, हमें कुछ याद नहीं है, लेकिन इस बर्थ में, इस जन्म में क्या करना है ये तो हम कर सकते हैं ना. तो लेट्स डू दैट. इन दिस प्रोसेस वी से दैट if parents give some, say, तौफीक या संस्कार जिसे कहते हैं, अगर वो बच्चे को दे देते हैं तो I think the child will be perfect. Whichever subject the child is studying, ultimately his success is being defined by the money he earns. If that is the only yardstick to measure the success of any person, then it means the luck factor we'll have to see. लेकिन वो लक कितना काम करता है, कितना नहीं करता है, ये डिपेंड करेगा उसके एफर्ट्स पे और जो संस्कार हमने उसको दिए हैं. So on the basis of all these he'll be getting the result. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपने कहा this subject should be taken by the child and he has taken commerce or science or arts according to your choice, that is why he has become successful. ऐसा नहीं है.